100. This decreases your wealth, and this increases your wealth.
Charity
Okay.
increases one's wealth,
Okay, very good.
while gambling or usury,
Okay.
that is, usually decreases the wealth, while sadaqah increases the wealth.
Okay. Well, we have to take a short break, and we will come back with the correct answer to see whether Darus Salam, Brother Abdul Latif, got this question correct. Praise Abdul Latif.
Charity increases wealth,
Okay.
while usury charity increases wealth,
Okay.
while usury decreases wealth.
Very good. That is the correct answer. Usury decreases your wealth, and charity increases your wealth, like how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah number 2, ayah number 276, يَمْحَقُ اللَّهُ الرِّبَى وَيُرْبِ الصَّدَقَاتِ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increases through sadaqah your wealth, and decreases your wealth if you deal with usury or with interest. Very good.